Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Today on Chaffles for Life, episode number 15. We're making McGriddle sandwich today. For this recipe, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of sweetener powder, 1 savory sausage patty, and 1 slice of American cheese. And this is pretty much simple. Once you get your egg all mixed up, you add everything into a small little measuring cup like I did. Get your mini dash going and continue the process of making the Chaffles, and we'll come back and talk about it at the end. Okay, we are back. So our sausage patties are done, and there you have our final product. Now, when I tasted these in the back room there, these are really, really good, and I definitely will make these again. The only issue that I had, if there was an issue at all, was basically when I was trying to pull the Chaffle off in the Chaffle maker, and they were very soft, and I didn't want to tear my bread, but it tasted like a bready texture, and the sweetness of the sugar-free maple syrup and the powdered swerve definitely made a big difference. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be watching for episode 16.